Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG dryer TE1 error in 2026. So this TE1 error appears when the dryer receives invalid or unstable temperature readings. This usually happens due to faulty thermistor, loose wiring connection, or sometimes control board misreading. So in order to fix it, you just have to first of all do a quick reset. For that, simply unplug the dryer and simply wait for about 5 minutes. And after that, plug it back in and start a cycle. If the error disappears, it means that it was a temporary sensor communication issue. But if the issue still persists, you need to simply check the temperature behavior before the error. For that, you can run the dryer and observe. If it heats normally, then suddenly stops with error, that indicates that the sensor reading instability, not airflow blockage. After that, simply open the dryer panel and locate the thermistor near the blower housing. Check if the wires are loose or damaged. A weak connection can then cause the incorrect readings. Now, if the dryer feels extremely hot before stopping, it means that the sensor may be reacting to the actual overheating or faulty readings. So you need to ensure that the vents are clear, even though this is not the main cause. So you need to also test the dryer here after cool down. So you need to let the dryer cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes, then restart it. And if it runs normally for a short time, then then errors again. The thermistor is likely failing here. So that's how you can basically find the problem why you are getting this error, and then you can resolve it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.